2008 Dodge Ram, and it's a 3,500 one-ton, heavy-duty, in the 4-door, short box 4-wheel drive, with the color match canopy. With the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. This truck's in excellent condition. It has the factory chrome 17-inch alloy wheels, and it does have brand new brakes as well. The tires are in great condition. It has the flip-out tow mirrors, tinted privacy glass in the rear, as well as the canopy also has the tinted glass. It has the trailer tow package. And it has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, automatic transmission. It has 206, 799 for kilometers. It's got the flip-up console, middle seat in the center, 4-wheel drive shifter on the floor, and it has the CD MP3 player, air conditioning, cruise control. It has electric trailer brake module as well for trailer brakes. It has the push button exhaust brake. Inside note, it's in great condition. And you can view this 1-ton Cummins turbo diesel 4x4 at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.